Hi everyone, I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a one-pan chicken and asparagus meal, and it's going to be ready in less than 30 minutes. Stay tuned. Sometimes there's just not enough time in the day for everything, and this simple and quick one-pan chicken dinner will definitely fit into your schedule. Just a few ingredients, and you'll have this delicious chicken dinner ready in less than 30 minutes. We love fresh asparagus. I'm cutting off the tough ends and cutting a few of the asparagus stalks into 1 to 2 inch pieces and keeping the others whole. You can keep the asparagus whole, I'm just doing this for presentation. I have a large boneless chicken breast that I split in half and pounded slightly so the pieces are even thickness. Next I have some flour and I'm seasoning with a little salt, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. I'm stirring to mix well. I'm dredging the chicken pieces, making sure that they're fully and evenly coated with the flour. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. Another star ingredient in this dish is a lemon, which adds a nice bright flavor to this meal. I have everything prepared and I'm ready to start cooking. In my skillet on medium to medium-high heat, I'm adding in some olive oil and the chicken cutlets. Cooking on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until each side has a nice golden brown crust. Now I'm moving the chicken to the side and placing the asparagus in the middle. Adding more salt, black pepper, garlic and lots of it, zest of the lemon slices, and the lemon juice from the ends if there is any. Giving everything a good little zhuzh in the pan. I'm turning my heat to a medium, adding in a little chicken broth, and you can use water, covering and simmering for about 5 minutes or until the asparagus is tender. The chicken is done and I'm removing it from the pan. One final step, and that is the butter. I'm adding in a couple tablespoons to the pan to make a delicious garlic lemon butter sauce. Butter always seems to make a dinner extra special and comforting. Everything is done and ready to eat, and it's that easy. The chicken is nice and tender, the asparagus a delicious side, and topped with that rich garlic lemon butter sauce. With spring here and our schedules quite busy, this meal is simple and good. I hope you give this one-pan chicken and asparagus dinner a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!